Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to send USDC to Phantom Wallet. So if you come to Phantom Wallet over here and click on manage tokens, if you search for USDC you won't see it. But the simplest way to do this, I think we shall first deposit Solana, then after depositing Solana we shall swap Solana into USDC. So let's do that. So first of all, click on Solana. Once you click on Solana, click on receive, then copy the address of Solana. After copying the address of Solana, head back to your Binance. Now once on your Binance, click on wallets and click on withdraw. Click on withdraw via crypto network, then search for SOL. So SOL stands for Solana. Then click on this. Now paste the address over here, the one you copied from Phantom Wallet. As you can see, it will automatically show the Solana network. So input the amount of Solana you want to send. So for this case, I'm assuming I'm sending 500 Solana. So after that, click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, you find your Solana in your Phantom Wallet. Okay. So once you've received your Solana in your Phantom Wallet, click on swap. Now you're going to swap your Solana into USDC. So click on this arrow in the middle. And as you can see, you input the amount of Solana you want to swap. So for this case, we send 500 and then input 500. And once you swap 500 Solana, you'll get 721,000 USDC. Okay, so guys, that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.